Mediterranean cruise, unveiling your dream vacation.
Ever dreamed of a Mediterranean cruise? Imagine, if you will, the allure of the Mediterranean. This region, steeped in history, is a tapestry of vibrant cultures, each more enchanting than the last. Picture yourself strolling through ancient ruins, remnants of empires long past, their stories echoing through the ages. The Mediterranean is not just a feast for the eyes, but for the palate as well. Savor the world-renowned cuisine, each bite a journey into the heart of the region's culinary traditions. From the fresh, zesty flavors of a Greek salad to the rich, hearty comfort of an Italian pasta dish, your taste buds are in for a treat. But what truly sets a Mediterranean cruise apart is the unique opportunity it offers to explore multiple countries and cultures in one trip. One day you could be marveling at the architectural marvels of Spain's Barcelona. The next you might find yourself wandering through the colorful markets of Morocco, the air filled with the intoxicating scent of spices. This is the magic of a Mediterranean cruise. It's not just a vacation, but an adventure, a journey of discovery. It's about immersing yourself in the sights, sounds, and tastes of a region that has been the cradle of civilizations. And let's not forget the cruise itself. Picture a floating city, a haven of luxury and comfort where every need is catered to. Envision waking up each morning to a new view, a new city waiting to be explored. Imagine the thrill of setting sail each evening, the coastline twinkling in the twilight as you look forward to the next day's adventures. This is what awaits you on a Mediterranean cruise, a unique blend of relaxation and exploration, where every day brings a new experience, a new memory to cherish. It's the chance to see the world in a whole new way, to broaden your horizons, to live the dream. So, are you ready to embark on the journey of a lifetime? Imagine waking up to a new destination every day. Picture this: each morning you open your eyes to the sun rising over a different Mediterranean vista. First stop, Barcelona. This vibrant city is a feast for the senses. You'll notice the distinctive architecture, a mix of Gothic spires and Gaudi's whimsical creations as you walk through its streets. Don't forget to sample the local cuisine, from the traditional paella to the sweet crema catalana. Next, we sail to Rome, the eternal city. Here, history is etched into every cobblestone. Visit the Colosseum, where gladiators once battled, and the Pantheon, a marvel of ancient architecture. And of course, you can't leave without trying a classic margarita pizza in its birthplace. Then we journey to Athens, the cradle of Western civilization. Stand atop the Acropolis and gaze upon the Parthenon, a testament to the grandeur of ancient Greece. Immerse yourself in the local culture and enjoy a plate of moussaka at a traditional taverna. Our last major stop is Istanbul, where East meets West. Explore the grandeur of the Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque, and lose yourself in the colors, scents, and sounds of the Grand Bazaar. Savor the local delicacies like baklava and Turkish tea. But the Mediterranean isn't just about the big cities. There are hidden gems to discover, like the medieval town of Kotor in Montenegro. Nestled in a secluded part of the Bay of Kotor, this town is a beautifully preserved piece of the past. Walk along its fortified walls for a panoramic view of the bay, or if you prefer island life, visit the charming island of Procida in Italy. Less crowded than its famous neighbors Capri and Ischia, Procida is a slice of authentic Italy. Wander through its colorful streets and enjoy a leisurely lunch of fresh seafood and local wine. Each destination offers a unique experience waiting to be discovered. So on this Mediterranean cruise, you're not just traveling. You're embarking on a journey of discovery, sampling a smorgasbord of cultures, cuisines, and histories. Every day, a new adventure awaits. Your journey at sea will be just as exciting as your time on land. Envision the luxury of Mediterranean cruise ships. The dining experience on board is a gastronomic delight, promising an array of options that cater to every palate. From the vibrant flavors of Mediterranean cuisine to the subtleties of French cuisine, there's a world of tastes to explore. You might find yourself enjoying a casual al fresco lunch by the pool, indulging in a formal dinner in an elegant dining room, or even having a midnight snack delivered straight to your stateroom. But dining is only a fraction of the onboard experience. Entertainment on a Mediterranean cruise is world-class, with a variety of performances to suit all tastes. Picture yourself being swept away by a Broadway-style show, or perhaps being enthralled by a live band under the stars. There may even be the chance to learn a new skill like salsa dancing or wine tasting under the guidance of experienced professionals. Apart from dining and entertainment, There is a multitude of onboard activities designed to keep you engaged and entertained. You might start your day with a rejuvenating yoga session, spend the afternoon exploring the ship's art gallery, or end your evening with a riveting game of trivia. For those who prefer a more relaxed pace, there's always the option to unwind with a book from the ship's library, or to simply soak up the sun by the pool. The cruise ship itself is a floating resort, offering amenities and services that cater to every need. Imagine being pampered at the onboard spa, or staying fit at the state-of-the-art fitness center. For those who love to shop, there are duty-free boutiques offering a variety of goods from high-end fashion to souvenirs. The beauty of a Mediterranean cruise is that it's not just about the destinations you visit, but also the journey itself. The ship becomes your home away from home, a place where every day brings a new adventure, a new experience, a new memory to cherish. A Mediterranean cruise is not just a journey, but a destination in itself. Now that we've painted a picture of your dream vacation, let's talk practicalities. First, let's discuss the best time to embark on your Mediterranean cruise. The spring and autumn months, particularly April through June and September to November, offer ideal weather conditions. These periods typically avoid the scorching heat of summer and the chilly winds of winter, while also sidestepping the crowds of peak season. Next, let's address language barriers. The Mediterranean is a melting pot of cultures and languages, but don't let that intimidate you. Most cruise staff and locals in tourist areas speak English. Even so, learning a few basic phrases in the local language can be a fun part of your preparation and is always appreciated by locals. On the topic of currency, the euro is widely accepted throughout most of the Mediterranean. However, it's a good idea to have a bit of local currency on hand, particularly for smaller purchases at local markets or tips. Many places also accept credit cards, but double check with your bank about foreign transaction fees. Now, for the packing list. Mediterranean weather can be quite changeable, so layering is key. Pack a mix of shorts and long pants, t-shirts and light sweaters, a sturdy pair of walking shoes, and don't forget your swimsuit. Sunscreen and a hat are essential to guard against the Mediterranean sun. Respecting local customs is also crucial. In many Mediterranean countries, modest attire is expected, particularly when visiting religious sites. Always carry a shawl or light jacket that you can use to cover your shoulders or legs when necessary. Finally, remember to pack any medications you need along with copies of your prescriptions just in case. It's also wise to carry a small first aid kit for minor health issues that might arise. Remember, preparation is the key to a smooth and enjoyable vacation. The more you know and prepare for in advance, the more time you'll have to relax and soak in the beauty of the Mediterranean. With a little preparation, your dream vacation can go off without a hitch. A Mediterranean cruise is an investment in unforgettable experiences. The cost of your dream vacation is shaped by several factors. Your choice of cabin, the duration of the cruise, and the time of year all contribute to the overall price. Hidden costs can also sneak in. These may include gratuities, shore excursions, and onboard purchases. Planning for these expenses will help you stay within your budget. Now, let's talk about value. Look for cruises that bundle in extras such as drinks packages, free Wi-Fi, or prepaid gratuities. Early booking can also secure you a spot at a lower price. And don't forget about loyalty programs. These can offer you great perks like cabin upgrades and onboard credits. Remember, the value of a cruise is not just in the price, but in the memories you'll make, the cultures you'll explore, and the relaxation you'll enjoy. With careful planning, a Mediterranean cruise can be a value-packed vacation. In these uncertain times, it's important to stay informed and prepared. Cruise lines have adjusted to the new normal and established stringent health and safety protocols. Regular cleaning and sanitization of public areas are now the norm, and health screenings for all passengers are mandatory before boarding. Many cruise lines have also implemented reduced capacity measures to ensure social distancing is possible. These measures may vary from one cruise line to another, so it's essential to check the specifics before you book. When it comes to travel insurance, it's more important than ever to protect your investment. Look for a policy that covers COVID-19 related cancellations or medical emergencies. Speaking of cancellations, cruise lines have adapted their policies to be more flexible in these unprecedented times. Many now offer the option to cancel or reschedule without penalty up to a certain time before departure. Remember, your safety and peace of mind are our top priority. So, have we convinced you yet? A Mediterranean cruise is a treasure trove of experiences. From the stunning destinations filled with rich history and vibrant cultures, to the unparalleled onboard amenities, every moment is a delight. We've covered practical tips to make your journey smooth, cost considerations for a value-packed trip, and important COVID-19 guidelines. A Mediterranean cruise truly is the journey of a lifetime. Are you ready to set sail?